Crypto Sister community. Before we get started, just a quick reminder that this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. Today I want to show you a platform that is called BinaMarket because it's a good example of how prediction platforms in crypto are growing up and starting to feel more like real tools people can actually use and not just test projects. When you first open it, it feels more like a news dashboard than anything else. Along the top, you will notice sections like trading, breaking, politics, sports, finance, crypto, geopolitics, earnings, technology, culture, and many more that already tells you what this platform is about. Real events and real topics that people are paying attention to. Now on the right side of the screen is where the action happens. This is the panel where users take part. You choose whether you think an outcome will happen or not by selecting yes or no. You enter the amount and place your position. The prices are shown in cents, and those prices represent how likely the market thinks that outcome is. A cheaper price means fewer people believe in it will happen, while a higher price means more confidence from the crowd. If you look at the top right, you will see options like connect wallet, deposit, and your portfolio balance. This is a clear sign that this is a crypto native platform. Everything is connected to your wallet and you stay in control of your funds the entire time.
To connect your wallet, you will go and click connect wallet, and then it will ask you to pick one. I choose MetaMask. And that'll be all, it will have you connected.
Another thing that is worth pointing out is how easy everything is to read. You're not bombarded with complicated charts or endless numbers. You can quickly understand what the topic is, what the possible outcomes are, how likely each one of is right now, and how those probabilities have changed over time. That makes the platform very friendly even for people who are new to the prediction markets. At its core, BinaMarket is about predicting real-world outcomes and earning based on how accurate those predictions turn out to be. It turns opinions and information into something measurable instead of just something you read and scroll past. And when you see that there's an official website, an official channel, a community group, and even an airdrop bot, it shows that they're focused on building an ecosystem and a user base, not just launching something and then walking away. So rather than just being another place to read headlines, BinaMarket turns news into something interactive where paying attention and understanding what is happening in the world actually has value. So if you like them and you want to stay updated with the latest news and announcements, make sure to check out their social medias. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching Crypto Sister community, and I'll see you in the next one.